See, orgasm is defining orgasm is very difficult thing. I'll just tell you, orgasm is like sneeze.
Different types of orgasm for women, because there is penetrative sex with which they can have orgasm. They can also have what we call clitoral orgasm. So are there different types?
See, I'll tell you, but it's not necessary that female will reach the orgasm by only penetrative sex. Even during the foreplay, she can reach the orgasm. So they need to give more time in the foreplay, and they need to talk each other.
How can a man know a woman is reaching an orgasm or has reached an orgasm? And can they both reach an orgasm at the same time?
The best way to find out whether your partner reached the climax or not is to ask her, okay, have you reached the climax? Have you got satisfaction or not? And if she is not reached orgasm or she is not satisfied, and when she says, okay, I'm not satisfied, do not get angry or upset. Just try to give the orgasm by any other means. You can use your fingers, you can use can give the by oral way or any other way. But if you get irritated, if you upset,
Yeah.
or if you get angry, she will never reply honestly next time. So you should be should not lose your ego, or you should not hurt your egos because of when she says the truth. And second question you ask,
Yeah.
whether
Yeah.
the partner can reach the climax together. In most of the times, most of the incidents, people do not reach the climax on the same time. Sometimes male reach the climax fast, sometimes female reach the climax fast.
So I just want to mention here that even at Bonavology, we have the facility of counseling. You can do this, in a very safe environment. And if you wish to take that opportunity, they have great panel of experts which can help you with any of these issues and many more. Many a times their intimacy is not to the right measure. They are not being intimate correctly, or they're just not on the right page. And obviously, it will affect that they are trying to get pregnant. So what is your experience with this? अगर किसी का आपस में relationship अच्छा नहीं है, intimately they are not connecting very well, pregnancy पे या conception पे क्या इसका effect है?
कंसेप्शन पे ज्यादा इफेक्ट तो नहीं आता है. बेसिक इफेक्ट आता है सेक्सुअल लाइफ पे आता है. अगर कोई किसी रिलेशन अच्छा नहीं है तो मैन कैनॉट गेट प्रॉपर इरेक्शन. अगर पेनिट्रेशन के लिए इरेक्शन नहीं है तो हाउ दे आर गोइंग टू कंसीव नेचुरली? देन दे हैव टू गो फॉर आईयूआई और आईवीएफ, दे हैव टू गो. बट आपने जैसे बोला कि मैं नेचुरली फर्टिलिटी का ट्रीटमेंट करती हूँ, तो व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन यू एडवाइज देम कि दिस आर द फर्टाइल डेज, जैसे कि 12 between 12 and 18 days you keep the relations, the chances are more to get a pregnancy because these are the fertile days. But what happened when doctor advised you try to keep relations between 12 and 18 days of your cycle? Then what happened, the man gets erection up to 11 days, उसको erection proper आएगा. लेकिन जब मॉर्निंग 12th मॉर्निंग को वाइफ बोलती है कि भाई आज अपना फर्टाइल दिन स्टार्ट हो रहा है, नाउ टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स वी हैव टू कीप द रिलेशंस फॉर 6 days, and man suddenly lost erection. He will not get erection because of performance anxiety. He has to perform tonight, and because of this performance anxiety he will not get erection when he come back. मॉर्निंग को वापस इरेक्शन आ जाएगा और 18 days के बाद वापस जैसा नॉर्मल था ऐसा आ जाएगा. So they have to be calm. They have to focus only on the foreplay. Whether they are getting erection or not, that's not an issue. They should not think about that part. They should think only foreplay कैसा लग रहा है, उनको एक दूसरे का स्पर्श कैसा लगता है. And once they try to focus on the foreplay, automatically erection will start and they will able to keep the relations.
Yeah, well, one of the things that I recommend to my patients is massage each other. So that is a great way to connect with each other. और उसमें what I recommend is कि आप एक दूसरे की मैसाज करनी है, कोई फोकस नहीं करना है सेक्स पे. If sex happens, great. If it doesn't happen, सिर्फ एक दूसरे को the target is to give pleasure to each other. आपने सिर्फ इतना ही करना है. And you can massage each other, जिसे हम कहते हैं योनि मैसाज, लिंग मैसाज. They are great way to connect with partners. You don't have to be a massage practitioner or therapist. Simple, just एक दूसरे को आप ऑयल के साथ भी कर सकते हो, बिना ऑयल के भी कर सकते हो. I don't know, warm countries में ज़्यादा massage may not be such a great idea, but we live I practice in UK. So in the West, it is much easier to massage because it is mostly cold, and massage is a lovely way to get into the mood. So I agree with you, the anxiety about performing, and you are so tense about doing it in those certain days that, yeah, anybody will be anxious. And I'm sure women are also anxious where they cannot, behave according to what they normally would be doing. So I think massage is a great idea.
Main reason of faking the orgasm is to save their marriage life. They think if they'll tell something or something like that, they are going to lose husband might leave them, or there will be a quarrel in between, and because of that, many of times they fake the orgasm. They tell you are absolutely superb in the bed, but at their heart they know no, he's not there.
Is it possible that you are not able to orgasm even when you are turned on?
Definitely. See, what happened, I already told you. You are turned off, everything. Atmosphere is fantastic. You put the candlelight, light music, and everything is there. You love your partner. But what happened? Man does not do the foreplay, much foreplay. And before doing the foreplay, woman is not lubricated and he tried to penetrate. She will not reach the climax. She is very much interested in keeping the relation. Still, she is not reaching climax. Second thing, if he is doing enough foreplay and everything, but he is reaching the climax very fast, he has premature ejaculation, then also she will not reach the climax. And once this vicious cycle start developing, every time this thing happen, she will start losing interest in the sex.
So, in sense of orgasm, as far as orgasm is concerned in women, do you recommend masturbation to women if they are not getting it with their partner? आपने दोनों को समझा दिया अच्छी तरह से, it is still not happening. Do you recommend that they get some pleasure themselves?
She is not reaching the climax. She is not reaching the orgasm. She can do the masturbation. Final चीज क्या होता है? Orgasm होता है. वो किस तरीके से आता है वो मान्य नहीं रखता है, लेकिन आना जरूरी होता है. फिर वो इधर से आता है या इधर से आता है.
If the partners don't necessarily like each other, there is nothing wrong with them. They both have the desire, but they don't have the desire for that person, right? So they don't necessarily want that person with them. They are married to them, but they don't necessarily feel the desire for that particular person.
See, ऐसा है कि जब आप मैरिज करते हो, either you married love marriage, you have the love marriage, or either you have the arranged marriage. Probably वो हैपेंड होता है कि मैं आई डोंट लाइक माय पार्टनर्स इन द अरेंज मैरिज, कि मेरे पेरेंट्स ने फोर्स किया, ये किया. आई ऑलवेज टेल ऑल द पर्सन, कोई मेरे को आके पूछता है डॉक कुछ ऐसी दवाई बताओ कि एफ्रोडियाक्स का काम करती हो, ऐसी कुछ बता दो. एक कोई, आप तो इतने सालों से प्रैक्टिस करते हो, आपको तो सब नॉलेज होता होगा. आई ऑलवेज कि लविंग एंड कैरिंग पार्टनर के जैसी दुनिया में कोई एफ्रोडियाक्स दवाई नहीं है. इफ यू हैव द लविंग एंड कैरिंग पार्टनर, दे आर द बेस्ट सेक्स टॉनिक. उसके अलावा कोई दुनिया में आज की तारीख में सेक्स टॉनिक नहीं है. If you do not like, try. See, everyone have some good points, some bad points, but when you try to focus, आप उसके नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स ढूंढते हो, इसीलिए नेगेटिव चीज ऑलवेज सामने आती है, पहले फोकस करती है, सामने अट्रैक्ट करती है, लेकिन आप उसको अवॉइड करो, उसको साइड में कर दो. Once you do that thing and try to look for the good points, उसमें क्या अच्छी क्वालिटी है, वो क्वालिटी आप देखना करोगे तो you start loving that person. But unfortunately, most of the people they try to avoid, or they are looking, उनको attract करती है, bad quality attract करती है.
Yeah.